Kia ora, this is a freebie Matariki resource and it is counting the stars. So up here we've got the question for you, e hia ngā whetū, so that's the question you can ask. Your learners can count to your tamariki, tahi rua toru wha rima. Rima, there's the numeral, rima. So we can trace to get the correct formation. E hia ngā whetū, tahi rua toru wha rima, 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 e rima ngā whetū. They may like to write underneath, tahi rua toru rima. They may like to draw their own whetū, tahi rua toru rima. They might like to trace around the outside of that numeral. They might like to trace around the kuru shapes. So there's lots of different things that they can do, but the beauty of it is that you can wipe it all off. So these are called dry erase pockets, and I'm using dry erase whiteboard markers. The beauty of these is that they save on photocopying, so you can put whatever you like inside these, and they can be used as activities, early finishing activities, or so many other things. And this particular brand is a really good heavy plastic. Kia ora, I hope that's helpful to you.